Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2012 Toyota Camry LE, stock number Z5887A. Only 62,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Dark steel in color. Camry is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Pull of the tabs allows the split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. This LE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Read gauges, again only 62,000 miles, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen for radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Camry has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 178 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 25 miles to the gallon and a city average of 35 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com. or text SCZ5887A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.